Aloha everyone, my name is Tadashi Morishita from SAHARA, Las Vegas. Filming from my beautiful kitchen since we are all on coronavirus COVID-19 lockdown. Today I'm going to be cooking one of my favorite dishes called chicken rosé, but we also call it artichoke chicken. This is from my auntie's cookbook, Cooking with Peggy. My mom and her girlfriends made the cookbook after my auntie passed away a couple years ago now. And this is one of her favorite dishes that she cooked, and we all loved it. And so to me, I think during this time, the dishes that we cook at home with our family need to resonate right with that. So this is a really family cooked oriented dinner and makes me feel really good. Makes me think about my auntie, my family, being back home with them, and now being here in Las Vegas with my family here. So artichoke chicken, pretty simple. You can do the whole chicken or chicken breast, chicken thighs, whatever you like, whatever you have around the house, right? So today I had all these ingredients around the house, which made this dish really easy. So today we're doing chicken thighs, a little flour, melted butter, artichoke hearts, chestnuts, black pepper, chicken broth or chicken bouillon, either one, fresh mushrooms, and then green onions or scallions. These super fresh, just got those yesterday from my mother-in-law's house, so that's super nice. And then French butter, which is like obviously the best. And my little one, McKenna, wants to be in the video, so she will be in the video with us for right now as well. So I'm gonna put you down for a sec, okay, while I dredge this chicken. One sec. So pepper obviously on the chicken thighs. A lot of people, obviously you do salt as well. We're trying to cut down on all the sodium and not essential items since we're on lockdown. So I'm not gonna use any salt today. So I'm just gonna do some pepper, drench it with some flour, a little sprinkle. This is just to give it a little coat when it's in the oven, and the butter is gonna be basting in it as well. So you're gonna cook the chicken as well first. Gonna flip that over, pepper the other side. You always wanna make sure you put all of the seasoning on both sides. Flour on this side as well. A little emerald status for you. Bang. Gonna put this chicken in the oven now. 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We're gonna put over the chicken. For this one, we're gonna do 375 for 20 to 35 minutes. We're gonna turn over the chicken. After that, we're gonna, actually I did this wrong, sorry. We're also gonna do the chicken skin side down first. After the first 30 minutes, we're gonna turn over the chicken and do it for another 15 minutes. So I'm gonna throw that in the oven right now. All right, everyone. So we're gonna bring the chicken out of the oven. We did 375, 30 minutes, right? Skin down, flip the chicken. We did 15 minutes at 375. We're gonna take that out. We're just gonna finish cutting the mushrooms. Got those ready, and then the green onions as well. All right. So for this, we're gonna throw all the mushrooms, chestnuts, and green onions on top. So that's right on top of the chicken. All right, we're gonna do the sauce now. 2 tablespoons butter. Half a cup of white wine. The thing about wine, right, when you're cooking, whether it's white or red, they always say you want to cook with something that you're going to drink. So, shout out to my boy Nate. Illumination Sauvignon Blanc 2016 tonight. So half a cup white wine, 3/4 cup chicken broth, or chicken bouillon, like I said. And then 2 tablespoons flour. A little white wine for myself. Cheers to you, everyone. Hope everyone's healthy and safe. So the butter and the wine's gonna give it that really good flavor, right? Chicken broth's gonna get that needed extra liquid, and then the flour's gonna thicken the sauce up. So it's basically a roux, right? A roux is flour and butter. Originally, roux was made in the oven. This is kind of quickens up the process, and then we add the wine for flavor, as well as the chicken broth. So depending on how much chicken you're gonna do, you're gonna make more sauce, right? I already lowered the oven to 325. Once I finish the sauce and get all the flour out, then we're gonna throw the chicken in for 15 more minutes with the sauce, always uncovered, and it'll be done. The sauce is what really makes the dish, right? All right, sauce is all done. We're gonna throw it on top of the chicken. Like I said, throw in the oven, 15 more minutes at 325. Basically just putting the sauce on top of the chicken. All right, we got the finished product here, artichoke chicken. As I said at the beginning, this dish is called Artichoke Chicken. However, when I was filming the video, I forgot to throw the artichokes in the end. So when you throw the mushrooms and the water chestnuts and the onions, also throw the artichokes on top. So, and I hope everyone's staying healthy and safe during this tough time. Please support the local restaurants whenever you can. And we look forward to seeing you back at SAHARA Las Vegas soon.